Yo, no new lines, stick to your lines. So, got this. It's the Jay-Z, the Hits Collection, Volume 1, a 2-disc collector set. Got a hype sticker there. It's got all the cool rock logos, and if you're interested, what's on his greatest hits? Public Service Announcements, another track number 1, good. Run This Town, then Bonnie and Clyde, then Encore, then I Just Wanna Love You, then Izzo, then Death Auto Tune, 99 Problems, Empire State of Mind, Dirt for Shoulder, Hard Not Lie, Show Me What You Got, Rock Boys, and then Big Pimpin'. He has got hits, that man has hits. Banger, 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 banger. This came out in 2010, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna do something sacrilegious. This is sealed, this is quite rare. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna keep the hype sticker, please, please, please. Let it come off. Let it come off well. There's probably a better way to do this. I've been doing this for 20, 30 years, so I just gotta try and learn my skill. Come on, the hype stickers, everything. The glue's coming off. Wondering whether I should just cut it. Keep it with the plastic. It's a tough one. Come on, come on. I'm doing it. This is a rare set. There's not even a lot of them. I don't think there's any online to buy. Yes. I want to stick down the front cover of the book, because this is like a book. Because I'm a collector, I also like to experience what I've got, listen to it, read it, look at it. Strangely, I don't know. Okay, so I thought this was in the back of the, maybe it is twice, I don't know. Looks like this is a card. Is it? Oh no, it's stuck on there? No. Yeah. Ah, it was glued on. I could have ruined this. This is like a book, like a fabric book. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna keep this too. Wow. This is mad nice. Oh my days. Look, the CD presented like that. Take out the, what would you call it, the artifact. The numbered book, 1320. There's some sort of limited edition going on there. It's got images of New York, Jay when he's younger, Jay and a young Bleak. These are some studio shots for the albums. Big Pimpin'. This is very cool. I mean, I'm very pleased with this. I'm more than pleased. It's exactly what you want. Cool images of Jay, because he's a cool looking guy. And he knows how to make an iconic image. I ain't seen that shot, I think. There's a few shots here that I haven't seen before. It's a nice booklet. Now that's just a booklet with a CD. That's the CD, and the CD also has credits card in there. Well, that's got all the credits, producer, and all those things. Obviously, super important. I used to always study those things. Like golden literature. I just can't believe the amount of effort they put into this. Beautiful. Wow. Jason, you have to put a package together. Should be wearing gloves really, because I'm marking it up, but it's all white. There is the booklet. There was a booklet in the album, and you get this as well, and it has different images. Well, I only just got the Hova, the library one, and I got this. I should have got this when it came out. Look at that, iconic. What? I don't know what I was thinking, I'm missing out on this. I think I realized just how, like, what kind of really good photo document it's going to be. Is there any Dame there? Kanye, but no Dame. So that was in the booklet. These weren't in the booklet. That was him and Beyonce, him and Kanye. That was in the booklet. Ooh. That's Dame. I think if you printed that outside now, there'd be no Dame ever again. Well, images I've never seen before. Which is good, because that means they're not reprinted in that new book. So it's not like I've doubled up. Well, this is a whole different set. In fact, it's got this and the music with it. That is incredible, wow. What a cool piece. What a cool piece. Man, I wish I even got it when it came out. But as you can see, it's brand new. Quality. Absolutely spot on. Spot on. So I should put it in the front cover of. Ooh, I don't want this glue to mash this up. You always put it in the back of here. That's just how it was. Strange. Right, to put it on the front of here, or to put it on the CD. Now we put it, well, I can put it on put it inside here. But I'll put it on here, put it on here. was quite pretty, just white, but the height sticker's supposed to be at the front, isn't it? There's quite a few cool Japanese releases of Jay-Z stuff that I've seen online. He did a 10-year version of Blueprint. I'm looking to get into my collection. Man, I got a new figure as well to show off. I got the Masterverse Vintage Evelyn. Wow. Crazy. This two's got 5 unreleased tracks. Young Gift and Black, Pump Out, Fuse Down, My Prisoner is Black remix, Go Hard remix, and This Life Forever. I know you're jealous. I would be if I didn't have this. Stick to your lines, no new lines. Just stick to what you're getting.